So this is pipette filler. So we are going to learn how to use the pipette filler. Yeah. So we just need to press A, and you have this. Okay, and then you fill it up. Okay, you put it together, and we just put it at the middle, and then we are going to press the S, so it will go up and fill up to the line. Okay, press A, press S, fill up to the line. And if you want to take it out, okay, press E and make sure there's no bubble, okay, and this is going to be 25 ml. And you want to transfer, okay, you press E and then you are going to have the 25 ml, okay, or you can take it out, okay, it will come out, okay, that's it.